monumental setback to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to ramp up numbers in the state's Anti-Corruption Bureau. The latest in a series of setbacks is the refusal of a Bihar police officer to join duty in Delhi. According to reports, DSP Sanjay Bharti, the highest ranking officer amongst the 6 deputed by Nitish Kumar government in Bihar, has cited health reasons. This after the Uttar Pradesh government rejected Arvind Kejriwal's appeal to non-BJP states for police personnel. Uttarakhand has said they will take a decision only after receiving a letter from the Delhi government in writing. The centre had yesterday backed the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung, saying no appointments can be made in the anti-corruption branch of the Delhi government without the Lieutenant Governor's approval.
अगर उसका अधीन नहीं आता तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, अगर उसका अधीन आता तो कर सकते हैं। वो आपका कानूनी व्यवस्था जो है वो तो हम लोग इसमें हर दिन का चीज का हम हस्तक्षेप नहीं करते, लेकिन जो प्रावधान में जो है उसके हिसाब से होगा।
लेकिन दिल्ली के अधिकारियों को उतना योग्य नहीं मान रहे हैं, या तो इस रूप में लिख लीजिए, या ये मान लीजिए केजरीवाल साहब को चूंकि एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, अभी तक वो तमाम मामलों में शेख चिल्ली साबित हुए हैं, अभी एक विवाद में फंस गए हैं चेक के लेकर के और चंदे को लेकर के, तो अनुभव है नहीं, बातें बड़ी बड़ी कर चुके हैं, शेख चिल्ली साबित हो रहे हैं। उसी में एक शेख चिल्ली का एक नया नमूना ये भी है कि शायद बाहर से तमाम अधिकारी में इकट्ठे कर लेंगे तो कोई शायद नया काम कर लेंगे, जबकि प्रशासक की विशेषता ये होती है कि उसके पास जो अपने कर्मचारी अधिकारी होते हैं वो उसकी योग्यता है कि उन्हीं लोगों से वो काम ले ले।
डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर मुझे मिले थे दिल्ली में, तो वो चाहते थे कि हम कुछ अच्छे ऑफिसर्स उनको दें। मैंने कहा है कि आपकी रिक्वेस्ट आएगी तो उसके बाद देखेंगे, हम अपनी अवेलेबिलिटी भी देखेंगे किस तरीके की है, तो उस हिसाब से विचार करेंगे।
So what is your planning? Are you giving the officers or not?
नहीं, अभी पहले वो मिले थे मुझको, लेकिन उसके बाद अभी लिख करके कुछ आया नहीं है। लिख करके आएगा तो उसी अनुसार देखेंगे।
I want to bring in my colleague Smita Sharma for the latest on this story. I also want to bring in Rohit Singh from Patna and Executive Editor Javed Ansari from Delhi. Smita, coming to you first. Why a series of setbacks for Arvind Kejriwal, and how is he reacting to this? How is the Delhi government reacting to this?
Well, so far we do not have any formal reactions from Gaurav, and apologies to our viewers because, you know, the mood, the weather in Delhi is as unpredictable as, of course, the political twists and turns that we these days, in fact, get to see now. But, you know, remember, Sanjay Bharti was really supposed to be the leader of this delegation with 6 members from Bihar to help out the Delhi, police in terms of the anti-graft operations, really. 21st of April was when the Bihar government had put out that notification where Sanjay Bharti and also, of course, Inspector Zakir Hussain, Santosh Kumar, Hari Krishna Mandal, sub-inspectors Bipin Kumar, Sanjay Kumar, they were supposed to be on deputation with Delhi police for 3 years. But clearly, you know, if medical grounds are being cited here, things are not as convenient, perhaps as Arvind Kejriwal would have hoped for, even as, of course, that entire tussle is on as to who is within their jurisdiction, whether it is the LG really who has this jurisdiction or Arvind Kejriwal is well within his rights to call in for officers under that rent-a-cop scheme from other states as well. Gaurav?
Rent-a-cop scheme is how Arvind Kejriwal's move to bring in police officials from states other than BJP states is being seen. Rohit, health reasons, or is there more to that than meets the eye?
Well, Gaurav, it is not right to say whether there is some other reason at this point of time, because what Sanjay Bharti has cited is health reason, and he came shot to limelight yesterday when his name was figuring in the list of 6 police Bihar officials who were supposed to join ACB, and all the rest 5 of the police officials, that is 3 inspector level officers and 2 sub-inspector level officers, they have already left for Delhi, and what we are learning from Bihar police sources is that they have already joined ACB, but Sanjay Bharti has refused, and he has written and he has given a representation also to the SP of Arwal, where he is posted at this point of time as SDPO, and he has given a representation citing health reason that he cannot go and join ACB in Delhi government. And MS Dhillon, who is the SP of Arwal, he has taken that representation and he has forwarded it to the top officials, top cops of Bihar police for further course of action. So it is now almost it is certain that Sanjay Bharti, who was leading this delegation, he has refused to join ACB.
Okay. Javed, the Samajwadi Party, and we heard CP Rai of the Samajwadi Party saying Arvind Kejriwal lacks experience. A good administrator would bring out the best in the existing team, harness their abilities. Now, the Samajwadi Party taking a rather strong stand, but is the bigger picture Arvind Kejriwal trying to cobble an anti-BJP coalition through the administration?
I don't think we can connect these dots. That just because he's asking for officers from other states, therefore he's looking at looking for a political tie-up with these people. He may indeed be, but these two are totally independent. This action cannot be connected to his larger political game plan. And this is not unheard of that state governments ask each other. This is on a government-to-government basis. A request is put forward in writing, and then governments, if they, then it depends on the other government whether they can spare officers, whether they have sufficient officers, and whether they can spare them for work outside the state. It remains to be seen whether Mr. Kejriwal, who's adopted such a high moral ground on the corruption issue, will tie up with somebody like Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav.